It's 2018 and email still sucks. WhatsApp, Telegram and Slack are kicking good old email's ass and things don't seem to look very good for your trusty communication tool. But thank heavens for Google's new Gmail features which make email slightly more bearable. Hi, I'm Nandini, Tech Tools Resident Internet Waali, and today I'm going to share with you how you can recall, schedule and send self-destructing emails on Gmail. First up, how do you bring back these embarrassing emails that you've already sent out? For this one to work, you need to make sure an option called undo send is already enabled on your Gmail. If not, here are the steps. Step 1, open Gmail on desktop. Step 2, click on the gear icon on the top right and from the drop down select settings. Step 3, in the general tab, you keep scrolling down till you see an undo send option. Click and enable that, and below that you will see an option to select the time span for the undo send option. Here you would have a bracket of 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds and 30 seconds. You can choose either of these timings, and what they mean is that for that period of time you will be able to recall a sent message. To finish this whole process, scroll down at the bottom, save your settings. Now when you compose an email and send it out, for instance, if you chose 20 seconds as your time bracket, for that amount of time you can recall a message if you sent them out wrong. Next is sending self-destructing emails. Now this is the new feature that Gmail announced this year. It's called the confidential mode. Now confidential mode will only be available for people who are using the new Gmail. So if you're not, then you can head to the settings again and click on the try new Gmail option. Once you do that, it'll take a while to load and then your Gmail would be all material design and pretty and neat. So this is where you see the confidential mode. Now to make this work, click on compose email. After you typed all the message you want to, before you hit the send button, adjacent to the send option you will see all these icons, and the last one would be this lock and clock icon. Hit on that. That is the icon for the confidential mode. When you hit on that, you will see an option for setting an expiry date. So confidential mode is essentially your email that you can set an expiry date to. So when you click on that, you can choose from 1 day, 1 week, 1 month or even 5 years of time period for your emails. After that time, these emails will self-destruct. You can even protect these mails in a confidential mode with a passcode. Each mail can be customized with a different expiry date. So if you send one mail, that could be for 1 day, another one you can set a date of 5 years on that. You should also know that any attachments on these confidential mails would not be downloadable. You can still view them though. You can't copy paste any content from the confidential mode mails, and you can't forward them or take a print of them. Finally, the third trick is to schedule emails. Now this isn't exactly a Gmail feature, but it's an extension which can be life-saving. So if you have your days planned ahead and you need to get work done in advance, so this extension can come in really handy. One of the most popular extensions for scheduling emails is called Boomerang. You can download it from Google Chrome extensions. After you downloaded the add-on, open your Gmail on your desktop, hit on the compose email option. After you've done composing an email, you will now see send later option. When you click on that, there will be a drop down which will let you choose the time when you want to send these emails. You can also set reminders that these emails can be sent again, so that the person who's supposed to get it will be reminded that there was an email but they did not read it, so there's a follow back. So these are the 3 Gmail features that can come in really handy and can be very, very helpful. Let us know if you've already used these features before or you'd like to try any of these out. We would also love to hear from you if you've had any funny story around sending an embarrassing email. Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe to Tech Tools YouTube channel and don't forget to press on the bell icon.